I see people dragging land.
Yes.
And because of that land, they buy every source of that family. They go out, they go in, they will never come back with penny. If you use any money to start business, will start. And I speak to you.
Yes, sir.
You block your life. Lies with a man who sat down with a native doctor, discussing that all your family members should be tied. I see a man called Lambert the ruler.
Yes, sir.
You know him?
Yes, sir.
What does that have to do with your family?
I'll build it.
What is he doing with you people?
I don't know, but he's late.
It's with your family. His family, everything the man did against your family.
Yes, sir.
Who is holding you people today? What is your name?
Chigozie.
I said, what is the man's name?
Lambert.